Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a wardrobe. Let's start off by drawing a big rectangle for the wardrobe shape. Then, add a really thin rectangle at the top and bottom like so. And underneath, two small rectangles on either side for the feet. Inside, draw a big square at the top like so, with two horizontal rectangles underneath for some drawers. Add some small circles inside these for the handles. And in the square, divide it in two with a long vertical line here to make the doors that swing out. Then, add two more handles here and here. To add some more detail, draw a curved U-shape sticking out of the drawer from here, with a line across the bottom and at the bend to make a sock. And now you've got a wardrobe! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.